how to recover unsaved documents in MS Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally forgot to save your work and now you think you have no way out? Then don't worry. You can actually recover your unsaved documents from MS Word. So let's dive right in. Open up your MS Word, head over to File in the top left, go to Info in the left hand side, and then you can see Manage Document. Tap on it and then tap on Recover Unsaved Documents. Now, here you can see all of the Word documents that have been auto recovered by Microsoft Word. You can just tap on it and then hit Open. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.